Welcome to English in a Minute. Americans use a lot of abbreviated or shortened expressions. What do you think this abbreviation means?
MIA.
Jonathan, how have you been? It has been so long since I've seen you.
Yeah, I've been MIA for a while. I went down to Brazil and spent 2 weeks with my family in Rio de Janeiro. I just got back a few days ago.
I hear Rio is so exciting with beautiful beaches and music.
Yeah, I might just go MIA again soon.
MIA is an abbreviation for missing in action. You can use this expression when someone disappears and you don't see them for a long time. People in the military say a soldier is MIA if that person is not found after a battle. And that's English in a Minute.